What's up, guys? Welcome to Dove Saw Shop. Man, she's pretty. As you can see, last night my wife got a hold to my head with the clippers. Yes, I'm getting old and I'm going bald. But hey, I like it, looks good. Always just cover it up with a hat and we good to go. Well, today we got our Stens Walbro Carburetor rebuild kit in for the Partner 5000, Poland 325. In case you need it. It comes with a bunch of different odd and end gaskets for the different variants, different models. You just have to match up what you got on your carb and make it work. I thought I ordered a 5-pack and I only ordered one. So we still got these two carburetors to go. We gotta put them in our super clean bath, get them cleaned up. That gasket's stuck on there like glue, dry rotted. Everything about these carbs that could be wrong was wrong. We do got to pair it up nice with the Forester lightweight platinum 16-inch 325 bar. We got a 325 7-pin rim sprocket on there. I ordered two 325 8-pins, steel brand. Ordered the small spline, and this small spline is not the same as the Husky small spline. That's how much smaller the steel is on the bottom than the Husky small spline. And I got nothing that they fit. I don't know what they fit, but I don't need them. I'm pretty sure the crank seals are the same on these, on both sides, from doing my research and looking at it when I had them apart. The Husqvarna 55 oil seal, the 15 by 26 by 4, 15 millimeter shaft diameter, inside 26 millimeters outside diameter, and 4 millimeters thick. That is the seal I put on this flywheel side, and it fit great. I don't know if it's made for it, but it's what I had, and it fit. And I'm pretty sure it's the same on the clutch side, PTO side as well. So, Husky 55 seals, from what I'm gathering, fits the Partner. We actually do have a box here beside of us. We still got enough parts to probably put together another complete saw. But I don't know if I'm going to do that just yet. I think we got the two now. The one with the Forester bar that we ported. I want to try to use that one as the test bed and let the one on the shelf be the stocker where we can compare it to. So I purchased a 16-inch 3/8 setup for it, and I still haven't cut with that. And I went ahead and purchased a 325 50 gauge bar and chain setup for this. The bar came with a 67 drive link chain, steel RS. But this takes the large spline setup, and the only large spline setup ram sprocket that I could find, 325, is a 9-pin. And the 67 drive link chain doesn't fit it. It's 1 link short. So we had to order us a 68 driver chain. So we got a brand new steel RS, the 23, I think it's 23 RS, and a 325 9-pin ram sprocket on here that we're gonna try. Wanna be on video? Wanna be on video? Wanna be on video? My phone's about to die, so I'm gonna try to do this quick. Partner 5000, rebuilt the carb. She ain't tuned in yet by far. This is the first start on it. I warmed it up a little bit ago. Just wanted to show you guys. I'm super excited. We got this thing figured out. Now we can get it outside, get it tuned up, hopefully get it in some wood, and hopefully have us a new 50cc racer. Woo-wee! God, I'm happy. Muffler mob we went with. I gotta trim this bracket up because I didn't factor it in when I cut the holes, so we just gotta trim that out a little bit to square it back up. We opened this one up. I need to open that deflector up a little bit. Oh God, there she is though. Man, she's pretty. New decals from Sugar Creek.